Hey guys, another track preview. This time nandito tayo ngayon sa Patiis, San Mateo, Rizal for the 2-day race which will be held on March 8 to March 9. So that's gonna be 5 stages and right now nandito tayo sa SS4. Check natin from top to bottom kung kakayanin ba natin, and of course check natin yung track condition. And yeah, we're gonna do a full run from SS1 to SS5. And guys, don't worry, may mga signboards tayo dyan, may mga bantings tayo dyan. Napaaga lang tayo ngayon. And of course, before anything else, mention ko lang yung sponsor natin for this video, which is ZMR Apparel. So you can see I'm wearing a Santa Cruz User Dev race kit. So kayo nang bahala sa design guys, just send them the design. And yeah, napaka-affordable na mga race kits dito kay ZMR Apparel. And of course, napakaganda ng tela, breathable and quick dry siya. So hindi siya masyadong mainit, especially now, summer na, alam natin yung heat index is pataas na pataas. So guys, this is perfect, napaka-affordable niya, napakaganda. Order lang kayo guys, just send a message to ZMR Apparel Facebook page. Alright guys, enough talking, let's hop on our bike, it's see you on the trail. Dito pala ang right turns na. Hey boy! Whew! Ah! Layo! Then dito tayo sa kaliwa. Layo ng tapon nun ah. Then may jump. Boy! Boy! Ingat lang kayo dito. Kasi daanan ng porters. So dak-dak. Trap. Shit. Ano, hindi nabutas. Woo! What a nice. Beer ko tayo. Ito masarap. Wala masyadong pedalan. Kung meron man, napaka-minimal. Woo! Bagal natin dun ah. Ngayon lang ulit tayo makakadaan dito. Oh, luwag na. Outer lang tayo dyan. Oh! Old view deck. The Nemesis. Yeah boy! Sarap dito boy! Holy shit! I think ito na yung finish line.